Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
Hey, babe.
Hey babe, what's up? How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Oh well, I'm fantastic. Is everything okay down there?
You know everything is not okay, babe.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you receive the rose that I sent you?
Yes, I did. Yeah, babe, I got it, but
You got it, but what?
you know that's not what I want.
Babe, I know, but you gotta understand me, okay? You gotta understand, babe.
Babe,
I'm doing this with us.
Babe, you know that I do understand it, but I've been doing this for how many years now?
Babe, try harder, babe. I'm doing this for us, babe. Babe, I'm ranking up right now, okay? I'm ranking up right now.
Ranking up on what?
Babe, come on. I promise you that I'm going to make this work, okay? You just gotta give me a little more time, babe.
Babe,
Come
I've
on.
been giving you time for how many years now? You sent me a rose and you know that's not what I want.
Babe, I know that's not what you want, but I'm even planning to buy you a new car, babe.
When are you going to buy this car, babe?
Babe, it's a surprise, so I'm gonna surprise you, I promise.
So basically, what are you trying to say? You think vanity is all that? It's you that I want. I don't need a car.
Babe, I know. But you gotta understand me, babe. Come on. We've been together for too long. You gotta understand me, babe. Come on. Have some faith in me. I'm doing this for us.
Babe, I'm sick and tired of hearing this now.
Come on, babe. Come on.
When are you coming home?
Babe, I'm gonna be home soon, okay? And when I get home, come on, babe. You're not listening. Are you listening?
I'm listening you.
Babe, when I get home, we are traveling to Beverly Hills. I'm going to buy a house up there for us. So we can sell. I know I even missed our anniversary. I'm sorry about that, but I promise you I make it up to you.
Hey, that's what you've been telling me for these past years now, babe. Babe.
Yeah, babe.
Right now, I'm just feeling so lonely. I just feel so empty right now. I just need you at home right now. You make me just... Babe, sometimes you have to make me wonder if I'm really in a relationship.
Babe, don't say that, babe. Babe, I'm truly sorry about that, babe. Babe, I promise you I will be there soon. I'm ranking up right now, babe. Just have a little bit of faith in me, babe. Please.
I need you to stop telling me this word about ranking up, babe. I'm sick and tired of you. Why you rank up on, babe?
Babe.
It's me you need to rank up on now. You need to stop rank up over where you are now. It's me. I need you right now. I need you at home right now. You been promised me everything. You promised me car. You send rose. You said, babe, I'm sick and tired of all this shit. I'm sick.
Babe, please, you gotta calm down, babe. Babe, just please hear me out, babe. I'm sorry about that, but you gotta understand me, babe. I'm focusing on my career right now. I'm doing this for us, babe. I'm not just doing this for me.
What about my career? My career with you. We need to start a family. When are we going to start a family?
Babe, we're gonna start a family soon, babe.
When? Soon when?
Babe.
When we're 50?
No, babe. Come on. Hear me out. I'm doing this for us, babe.
I know you mean no well and everything. I know exactly what you want for us, but it's just not enough. Every day you call me, babe, I'm ranking up. Just need him to rank up on me now. I'm so frustrated right now. You send me a rose, yes. The rose can make me feel good for a minute. But that is it. It's you that I want. I just need him to be here with me right now. I miss him, you know? I miss him and I just want him to be here with me right now. I just feel lonely. I feel so depressed right now. I just need one chance right now. I could have one night. Just one night. Just one night, babe. One night you can't give to me. You can't just leave off I camp and come give me just one. Just one night me I ask for. Just ranking up. Just go rank up on me, no, man. Every night me call him and ask the man if he can't just come give me just one single night. If I beg him and like I say a stranger. You're my husband, you know. Me have to call on your phone and I beg you. Charger. So it's rough when you have one man out there where you work for government. I saw them a thing they go. It's rough, you know. But I know if me didn't know so I saw them a thing I stay, I go stun one soldier too. So I can stay by inside.
Come, what going? You good?
Well, go on, Jay.
But then, how you look? Everything alright?
So far, everything is okay.
Yeah, that you say, but you don't look like you're really okay.
Just one of them day, man.
Well, anytime you need a friend or somebody to talk to, I'm really a good listener. I'm very good at problem solving, and I'll sit with you and just talk with you, just to help you sort out whatever issues you might be having.
I don't know if you can solve this one.
Well, you never might know. Well, even if I can't solve it, sometimes a listening ear, just listen to you and, share whatever little problems so, we can work at it and, sort
I guess
out.
this one is kind of personal, Joy, but I don't know if you're up to listening.
Of course, we are up to listening. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm really feeling down and feel depressed right now, so I would love to have someone to talk to.
Yeah, for sure, because, you see, sometimes when you don't have nobody to talk to, it just, your problem just bottle down and, the depression may step in and you just feel like, say,
True.
life never worthwhile.
So what's up now, Joy?
Well, I was just passing by and I saw you there and I thought I could come over and just give you some assistance because you look a bit stressed out. I don't usually you're smiling, you look so upbeat and happy, and now you seem a bit depressed, so I just want to know what's up.
You just want to know what's up just like that, Joy. Come on, man.
Well, you don't have to be so harsh on me. Come on. A man got to be a man, and a man has to be supportive. I saw you looking like you need some assistance, and as a gentleman that I am, I want to just render some assistance, If I have to say a few kind words or if I have to help in whatever way, we just have a discussion or I just be a listening ear for the night, we just have to do it just like that.
Well, Joy, if you're willing to listen to my conversation right now and my problems that I'm having right now, I guess you can, but it's about my husband.
Well, that's no problem. You know, I'll listen to anything that you want. So, alright, listen. It's not like I'm trying to get into your clothes, or it's not like I'm a therapist or what, but I'm just trying to help you get over this situation because, as I said, I know you as a high uppity beat, energetic woman, and you know, you just seem a little bit depressed, like and as a gentleman, um, I would want to see you okay. So whatever I need to do, I'm definitely gonna do it for you.
Majority man they always say that they are always up to something, so.
No, 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 no. I'm not like regular men,
But you
like.
sound too good to be true right now because first of all, you're ready. You're really ready right now for listen to my conversation about my husband.
Well, a man have to be ready if things are going on, I'm not ready. How that I go work out now?
Just make sure you no benefits to come here so I
No,
talk to
no,
you.
no, 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 no. Come on, come on. Just like the good Samaritan, I'll be there for you, and be the listening ear as I keep telling you. You're just overthinking because I'm a man and it's a night and that feeling. So you might be feeling a little bit scared or tense, but yeah, I'm here, you know.
Well, Trey, since you're so intrigued, I guess I'm going to tell you what I'm really going through right now.
Yeah.
It's because my husband in there so far from me and everything, and I'm really feeling depressed and lonely. I just really need someone by my side right now.
You see? And sometimes God work in a mysterious ways. Because sometimes He send angels to you, not even go see it.
So you try to tell me, say, yeah, angel?
Well, you never might know.
Angel come in many different colors. So which one are you?
Well, more to define myself as no color, but me try to stay up on the right path when me can. And me feel like me up on the right path, right? That's all.
Well, let me get out that sounds sweet though.
Me don't know for the bag of honey when me a drink. Doctor say healthy. Honey make your skin all glow. You never know.
Sure, top nice, because you know you're not drink no honey.
You know see how my
Stop
skin look
going
nice. Not because me need a haircut.
But anyways, it always seems nice. You ever look nice. You seems nice. You approach me nice too.
Yeah.
But me I wonder if I something you up too. But
Nah, man. No, nothing like that. You know what? Me just see and me always pass you and before me never really usually acknowledge you like that. And sometimes we can easily overlook people. And it's not like say me no value you and all, but me just never feel like the time be right. The feeling just never did it. But somehow tonight me just really feel like me need to come and talk to you, and check by you and make sure say alright. You don't know what do it and I do it already.
me don't know Drew. Me don't know the one.
Well, there's a first for everything.
Jay, you look like you're up to something though. Look
Me?
like you're up to something, Jay.
Me up to something. Me not up to nothing. If me they are up to something that I probably want to put my hand around you, or I probably want to touch your legs or what, but I'm not doing any of those things. So me not up to nothing. Me just genuinely I'm here out of concern and care. So yeah. And furthermore, you're a nice lady. You're very attractive. So me there's nothing wrong if me come to and even have a conversation. Yeah. And you seem pretty interesting, And I really would want to get to know you more.
Don't get this thing overboard, Jay.
Nah, nothing like that. Wouldn't get it overboard. It's just naturally as a man, you have to just speak up for what you want, Because if you don't go after what you want, either you don't know if you ever will even get it.
True.
Yep. Yeah, man. Sometimes you have to launch out of your comfort zone and go after what you really need, and you never might know, you might all get it.
The true, Jay. So we are trying to tell you.
Not try to tell you nothing still, but it look like you have something in your mind where you want to tell me.
You tell me what the fuck for your mind. Since I get down in this thing now, you tell me what the fuck your mind.
Come in easy, you know. So you always are going in.
Joe, I need to make you get to understand, like, right now. If you remember, still have my husband here.
I never forget. It's not like me I tell you say we should be in a one relationship or something like that. Me just say me could get to know each other, and you know, as I say, you're lonely some of the time can come keep your company. You know, when you're cold, warm, you have see all a shiver. Look how the night cold. You know, somebody feel warm up here.
I'm a poetry.
No,
Me?
you, yeah, life blanket. What's up?
But all you know easy. You forgot me tell you say it's a soldier man me I deal with. You forgot that?
Yeah, but the soldier not there.
Soldier creep up on anybody at any time, any hours, and you must know that by now. You know what cheap a soldier shoe?
Yeah, me a ninja.
They don't,
Creep up.
they don't care what time, what hours it be. They don't really care. They just boom right up on you right this stuff.
Well, anyways, me not afraid of soldier still. You know, me just see what I want and I go and fight. That's how I operate.
When you see this one year, you coward.
Coward, no sir. Coward never run in my blood. Just do what me need to do each day.
So what you need to do each day, Jay?
Yeah, well, whatever me need to do. So, you know, just like how me even feel like for the right here, so right now, not true. Yeah.
So like I get too comfortable, you sit down and so.
No, sir. I get comfortable. Or maybe,
Yeah, you really do because see all of this stretch there too.
well, you know, say sometimes you have to stretch. You know, get the blood moving, especially the night is a little bit chilly. You know,
Naturally,
and me
it
know
might
say,
get cold.
repeat.
No, it's getting cold.
Nice get yes, it's really getting cold. That's why. But think me last. Right. That's
So, why you
it.
why you
Alright.
last? You not see say up say you come. You blind? Which
No.
part you last? Tell me now. Between the words them what you are telling me or between the words when me I tell you? Which one? Why? Just tell me truth. Tell me why you really and truly come here so for Dre. Try stop a phone me ball last. Let's cut to the chase, man. You have protection?
Protection. What do you mean by protection?
You don't know what I mean by protection. How old
Well,
are you?
well, what do you mean protection? Like knife, having a knife, protection like a gun, like a weapon?
Which one I think?
I don't know. I would rather you tell me.
Which protection I think I'm talking about?
You know, so I would rather you tell me. But whatever you up to, you know, me up to it.
Mm-hmm. So, what you have in mind for the night?
Friday night. Let me
For
see.
the night.
For the night.
Yeah.
For the
Yeah, I
night.
get more of them twisted. Like,
Well, you know, it's a bit late and, you know, today was a hectic day at work, you know, so sometimes I'm not really a bit focused some of the time, but I just one of them there. But anyways, enough of that. For the night, you know, I have nothing to do for the night.
okay, now say officer man.
Yeah.
Cause me say all along you come here start talk. Attack. How long you start talk and for me ask about protection I get confused.
No, I'm not confused. It's just that I have to make sure me hear what you say clearly, so I have to repeat myself.
Okay. What you ask what that's about a one night stand?
One night stand.
Yeah, no relationship business between that. No ties, nothing. You see me tomorrow, you don't see me. Me see you tomorrow, you don't see me. You know me, you don't know me. Cause that one them attack.
Me not that easy.
I mean by you not that easy, Jay.
Not because not because I'm a man. You
Lala.
think say me I just give in that so easy, just like that.
Dre, stop going like you play. What I'm telling you, brother?
Player. Nah, I'm
Stop
not
going
a
like you
player.
hard to forget, brother.
I'd forget.
I'm just talking about a one night stand. You don't like me already. Nothing wrong with that.
Sounds really interesting. I think I have to think about it for half a second.
You mean half a second? You need to think about that like a blink of an eye. You don't even supposed to think about that, Dre.
You see,
You want me long time, so just cut to the chase. You have protection?
protection. You know, I don't have any on me now, but I could go by my house and get some. And you could wait on me if you have patience. Or we could do raw dog.
You just said, Dre.
Yeah, raw.
We do.
Well, you know what? As I said, you have a husband and I wouldn't want no pumpkin to start growing right now. So,
It's not only pumpkin, a lot of things come with raw dogs.
well,
I
maybe,
don't know your status, you don't know my status as well either.
you know, you're definitely right about
Yes,
that.
so you're not
So-
having boots for him?
Well, you know, I could just go by the house quickly, you know, and get some.
You know what, Dre? Nobody push your luck tonight, yeah? If you go feet, you just go feet and just cut trees. Cut it talking and just go for it. Run go. Because if you make me sit down so too long, mine not change.
You know, you're definitely right, you know, because don't know how sometimes on a program as woman, easy to change like green lizard. But anyways, I'm not going to linger. I'm just going to go as fast as I can.
Then run, na, Dre. You still
Alright.
there, sir. One time should I really do this? Same thing, yeah, babe, class. Same damn thing, yeah. Make me have to end up on a flirt with somebody else. After me, I call him, just tell him, say, just one night. Come spend at least one night with me, now, babe. Make me have to flirt with other people now. You send a rose, but that is not enough. Just, I could even have to sneak out, come give me one night and go on back at camp. Minute you call me, tell me about rank, car, rose. Sick and tired of your boy, your rose, this and that. My rose dead, the battery done. Tired of rose now. That's one night me need from him now. Tell man,
So no go on, man. So no go on like so now big domino player. I don't know about domino player. Double sticks.
Double six posts.
See sticks.
Alright, you let them ever go on like them can play them in the look you want to some.
Even do it. Oh, look, I can come back for 12. Can get 7 last night.
Yo, relax this. You go on, Elder. Alright.
Attack, here comes the top, man.
Well then.
One thing.
Making too tough. I better send him up to Miss Mary 6.
Look like a pass your plan for pass him, man.
Hey,
Pass
lucky.
him, man.
The elder them ever go on like them a girl is still, you know. They don't know nothing.
When know about Gallis, and Gallis days done. I will for play.
I'm if you play, man. I'm play again.
Watch the game, man. Watch the game, man.
Yeah, I might play. Relax.
I feel play. I feel
Come
play.
on, relax.
Go on, no coward, man.
Alright, well them ever
Everyone
go on
no
like
girl
they
listen,
see everything.
Come on.
That's
you
how I
must
like.
know, man. You must know.
Where?
You must know. But elder, you what me I say?
Yeah, I get it 70 tonight,
My
man. I can't
pass,
run
play.
it. You know, so my pass in a real life, though.
If you pass,
Jack.
Play, man. Can you go on like it? So,
look you make it elder beat you.
Could it? A two me contact. Come out
you know, say my TV game.
Him a TV
Him a
game.
TV game, you know.
Him a TV
Watch
game.
him, you know. Watch him, you know.
Me I watch him very keenly, lucky. Look you make elder come beat you, make you look like idiot.
Really want to get you, you know. Looking all shave up. Now that me shave up all nice, maybe should want me more. Yeah, cause before me kinda look bushy. Now me looking all neat. All neat like a jacket. Yeah. You man must can get through tonight. Yeah, man. Yes. Ready, fresh and clean. Yeah, man. Woman want fresh man, man. If you're too rugged, them don't want you. So I have to take it time up to clean up myself. Nice. Yeah, man. Damn, I blow cool. Yes, she must go around there, you know. I wonder if I waste too much time. Damn. Spending so much time on my looks and I forgot to get the boots. And she said she don't want it raw. And if there's no boots, there's no door. Damn it. What am I going to do? Cause the shop closed right now, you know. You know, and she probably waiting all long on me. And she probably said she cold cause night chilly, you know. So me I'll have to put on my jacket. What am I going to do right now? What am I going to do right now? I wonder if I should go back and tell her to let's do it raw. But she said she don't want it raw.
Yo, suffer up back that thing.
You know, see, I really need that. That's why you know, no girl still not lucky. You know, no girl, you know. And that's why you move like a board man. The girl ain't never done like chichi like all out. But go on there.
How you try to prove?
Me not have to prove nothing. Me too smooth. Me full of cool, lucky, easy,
What you try
man.
to prove?
Me done I tell her say yo, me lucky street. Yo, you see one of them place here, and me run them place a lucky. You and me.
Where you run? Yo, you know run it. A marksman you try fire like you run the Wallande. And none girl is attack now.
I'm telling that.
Calm down yourself, man. You wanna see?
He must have feel like a back in the days when Gilbert a blow. At 2023.
Yo.
Oh, you mean?
Barbie, you know so broke foot pandali. Look at to something, man. Call me if you
When
can.
I talking with all you two in a Sophie game, cause you have pick up 70 tonight, you know. Hold on, how much this? 10, 20.
Them all look, yeah.
Oh, me I go pick up 7. No, act like me. Play elder, you win it here.
What you know about girl? What do you know about girl? What do you know about girl? Tell me now.
What you don't know? Hold on, yo.
I bet you see some Gilbert.
You remember when we did that play?
That's why I don't like reason with old people, you know.
He must think about it like tin food days, one team.
Sophie,
play I dance with the girl.
me have all that
You
talk
never
all
play
foolish.
them lesson.
Man, play.
Look here, waste time with elder.
Me no waste time, brother. Skelly and two deer.
What a poor now. What's that?
I play that.
You must know.
You don't know if you play, man. How that Dre will go on in general, everything good.
Same way I don't know do
Aight, man.
Believe not, Jay. You make them girls start straining. How to play? Lucky.
The past, you know, brother.
Regular thing that
I one night.
they are school elder, you know? They are school elder. I be a back in the days thing him a come here.
I tell you the last night, I 7 weeks.
What a go on?
Yeah, man. Them day I me a teach them about the girls room. Same way and I tell them say,
Don't know
how
you say top gallis.
top
How
girls.
to play?
Well, sharp. Believe the man. How to play? Me fi play.
Come laugh at Gallis. Yeah, Gallis.
Remember see a
Say
board
your
man,
pass
you know?
again.
Say your pass again.
Yeah, them boy.
Say your pass again. You
Say
mount a
my
dabby now you
pass
have in
again.
here and you can go use a guard bird bush.
Say your pass again.
I know, say my pass again.
Me believe you. Play.
Hold them there.
Pass elder. Play.
Pass.
What them a whisper about now elder?
No man, him good man. I just
Them personal.
a quick thing there.
Me soon Cause them boy, me need to school them. Cause them a get out on. You see what I say? Me
Pass.
all I go on. I threw me in the board.
Alright, if you see myself, if you see myself, watch out.
Play back again.
Alright, watch out.
Play back again.
Come again.
Radam.
Radam.
Play back again.
See then now.
Uno pass. I'm count 5.
5 now I'm going away.
That him really count, Jerry.
How much you count?
Yeah, that him
How
really
much you count? How much you count?
Blank, just like you know, no girl.
Man. I didn't look at Terry winning.
What 5 can win?
You know, so that TV game though.
They're on a fast moment, but come at me
Sure.
short.
Alright, now see a word. And the man won't search you, then get 86 then. I'm going back out, now what the matter?
Yo,
You say.
they are going easy, I do it same way. I don't know how to do it already, but here what? You know, say me have a small little situation, me have a little mission. Yeah, man, me have a little mission when I want to mash, but here what now? Me I tell you something, but don't laugh.
Yeah,
See, you see, yeah, laugh.
How you do is a little gimmicks,
Hold
man.
on, man, but on a level, you know, say, I want boots more because, you know, me run.
What you want boots to
Yo,
the day?
cooler, man. You know, say me have a little mission, like, something unexpected happen up the road there, and, you know, tonight I'm a lucky night. Yeah, man, me feel say me I get, yo, don't mash it up tonight.
But anyways, know where you use your lucky. Because remember, say lucky am I in here.
Yeah, man, me know
So
I
you have to know what you do. You see it, when you do, what you do.
A real man,
But
man.
what you really want boots for? Yeah.
Well, me know I say, I start lucky already, but here we know. I
Mm.
want a little mission, me have up this still. Can't really tell you the details too tough, you know, but you know what I say.
Yeah, say to me.
Yeah, man, a little chick up there, so yeah, man, she said she want give me one pay side. What? And me go mash it up
How
tonight.
strict that dog?
Yo, you know, say me can't do talky things still, but if me tell you, me no want you tell nobody. Cause we can't make nobody know a thing, cause it's a little one piece she give me.
That sound good, man.
Me I
That
tell you,
sound
man.
good. Sound girl.
Yo, as me tell you, me can't do talk, you know, cause
I want you, brother.
what me want
You know
to
you can trust me, no, man. I want you.
trust you.
Yeah, I'm generally know you.
Are you and I'm lucky, you know?
You know what I mean?
Maybe me not so lucky I like you.
You mean if you're lucky, then if you're never lucky, you won't reach us up.
You know.
Yeah, see.
A shorty come.
Shorty, come.
Yo, I swear, yo.
It talk at the town.
Yo, cooler, man. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think you're slick.
Yo.
She just up in your jacket suit and...
You night cold, man. You feel how you night cold, man. I change a while ago and drop on the jacket quick and fast. Yeah, man.
But everything good still, me. Wish you luck, so I say, but...
Look.
No condom.
need no luck, man. I you name lucky, you know.
If me dey have it more than boss, you man, you see me I say, but...
See, I tell me, say the great lucky,
No,
no.
man.
Nothing.
You know, say,
lucky.
on a big man level, me kind of run out of them things there, see it?
Lucky, the reason why I come to you, because I depend on you, me know, say, yo, cooler, man. You must have one, man. Come on, man, lucky. Then I say, yo, we in the streets every day, you know, and I feel lucky tonight. You know, see how things work for me, man.
No, bro, but... Just not have no condom, we don't have no condom, brother. If me have it more than boss, I swear, see it? We don't have none for me.
John Star.
You
I
see?
can't believe say this opportunity I go pass me, Star. John Star. So yeah, check
Yeah,
your
man.
place, man. Check your place, man.
If big man thing, if me dey have it, you would get it. You see what I say, but me not have none right now. You see?
John
Me don't know who else I can check, but me not have none right now. You see?
John Star, this a mash up midnight night like, ah, yo, big batty there. Jesus, me say imagine how me dey on it. So, yo.
Yeah, man, they have a view, man. They have a view.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
John.
on a big man levels, me not have it.
Alright, if you say I don't have it, well, I wonder how me can link in the night. I have to check.
So me don't know though.
John Star.
So, but I don't understand, bro. Like a real thing you upon.
In real, what you mean? I no joke. Right now, you know, say, between me and Stim, me never like talk people busy or return thing, but look like say she and her man have a problem over here.
Oh yeah, I say.
Yeah, man, cause you know, say I work, me just a come in from, and I walk past her, me a hear her talk on her phone, and you know, and she a look mash up like her meds, mash up, and me there give her one talk, and I try comfort her, and she asks me if me nah no boats. So me know say tonight and my night, me feel lucky, although your name lucky.
But anyway, still, if me dey have it more than boss, you still, man. You see it? Me respect that. But good luck.
Yes.
Good luck, you see it?
I guess
Just-
one of them thing there will.
Yeah, I forgot to see if you can go somewhere else, go check out the thing, you
That's
see
it.
it? Cause, yeah.
Yeah, and you know what say, that's why we have to be prepared. Cause you know what, my mind there tell me for a while now. For get some.
Yeah.
But I true from where they me not even active like that, you know.
But
You know,
I say things straight, man. You have to go check somewhere. But we link still, I see it. You go finish beat them, you know, because them boy I need to get it
Yeah,
seven
man,
in
bless
the
up,
night. So me I
respect
say,
again.
yeah, man, respect
Yeah,
me
man,
general, yeah,
legit.
man.
Alright, bless
Yeah,
up.
man.
Relax now, mommy. See, I tell me say from DM if you play them down the yard and at 8 o'clock in the night and you still a call me if you come wash up them the dirty plate there. Alright, I just the last game of me have I'm going to deal with them. Alright, man, me I come. Up on forward, man, yo. Call up, yo. Money you should have put on this, you know, man.
What about the next general in there?
From your left, him man left to brother. But
You
you
know,
know,
I get it seven.
no watch that, man. Elder. You see me? But you have to get it.
Yeah, well, that's not possible tonight because you know, right now, I go link up on the lady up the road. You see what I'm saying?
No, lucky man. We take this serious. I saw money we should have put on this and I bet in a real life. It's true,
Yeah, me I say
brother.
no, you can put this on pause, but when you talk about you can't go on pause right now, father. Dear man, calm down yourself, man.
Hey, what you mean? What you mean go on pause, lucky? Me know you not lucky. How far
What
me
you
I
mean by
come
go
from?
on pause? You hear me I say, brother? Me I go up the road go deal with some partner John forward.
Partner John in the night. You know afraid man rob you. Lucky me not just say no, me know you a long time, I know partner John you go for. Me know you is a early man.
Yeah,
You get up
man.
before cock take off in jazz go collect that. A partner John that in a money, you know, in a union lucky, you know. You can't tell me nothing, my friend. And what you just tell us? Yo, lucky, me know you know. And what Jay tell us? Can't just come, you know.
Brother, a man not tell me nothing, brother. And when a man tell me I no fear business.
I see you move, lucky, look how far me you come from.
Cool now you.
Me your brother like that, you know, lucky. And you make Jay come tell us something and then you can't tell me. What is your ears is for my ears also. You know and me know say so you go for you. Lucky. What you tell us say? Squeeze your hand tell me now.
Let's chill now, bro. Chill now, bro. Me tell say partner John me I go deal with.
Lucky, come on, man. Me know say you know say I'm
Yeah, you know easy, you know, man.
Tell me what,
And that today, you know, I love follow people. Alright,
Pinch up,
yo. Me go tell you, you know, that,
So go on, man, and wait how long for you tell me no lucky.
me no know how to tell her, brother, cause yo, brother. You is a man that keep your mouth in there, brother.
Lucky, you know.
Your mouth ever fly to you.
Me park it tonight, man. Calm down and tell me what go on, man. No harm to you, man. You know say if I did me, you know.
You
and
sure
somebody-
say me can't trust you? Me not trust you, no, brother.
Yo, Mr. Just dead. You can believe in me. Believe it and you will achieve it. Tell me what go on, no lucky, man. And stop growing me thing, dog. You know say me can keep me more. You ever tell me nothing, you can't tell back nobody.
So, alright, you know say you can't keep your mouth. I had chat so. Suppose me tell you.
Say if more I hear me, no must ask you. And talk, you know what I talk.
Alright. Yo. Is it true me and your brother? Me I tell you, brother, but hear me I say. This is between me and your star. Is what me I say? Alright, watch out. Yeah, you know, show me a vibe. Say, yo, I want jiggy up a road. You know, you look like I'm hard to get.
Jiggy up the road.
Come, man.
Come. That they come there.
Yeah, brother.
Tickers come.
Yeah.
Shotty come.
Yeah, brother.
I like
That's what
that.
I say. Watch out.
So you believe him?
Boy, it's so good to be true because watch out now. Let me show you a vibes. I see him girl, brother, will be a deal with Frau and Georgie. The girls will fling her back tonight. So I say, she me have a page, you know.
Shotty come. Elaborate more. Me not understand you. So what income page about Shotty come?
Brother. Yo, me tell you about you, know. And that's why I didn't want to tell you, you know. Me tell you about you, brother. You talk too much, brother.
But more you go down in a detail, so me have to tell you how to explain to me. Elaborate no man. What go on? What really go on, Lucky? When come
You know, so I'm sorry me tell you. I'm sorry me tell you that.
that me not rate you more.
Alright. Man, a soldier.
Then,
But yeah, you look like you don't know. You don't know? You don't know?
yeah, me know say
I
man.
know, yeah. I do, brother.
True. But what go on?
Brother, tell us how them me go right now. Like right now, father.
Yeah.
Right now.
But yeah, jumpy gun. Where Jay tell you say
Me not just tell her what Jay tell me. Say,
Yeah.
Watch out. Me show you a pre. The reason why he dog calling me because he dog around the rubber. You see me?
He dog the rubber?
He dog the rubber dog.
So you save the
dog
night?
Save which night?
Cause me know you're Superman, you know, only thing can counter style like kryptonite.
You don't know me dog. Watch out. Be the hell what talk about say yo. If me can't kill a cannon, me want to run it now. My back pocket to go mash up the work.
You don't
just a
give me.
laugh after I dark and watch out. Them style in there. So me as a father, I watch out. Imagine if I go up there, I'll see that girl there and she say yo, she not dog me a pray for God, but just throw me no
Skin to
trust
skin.
now. Soldier man girl still me say alright then. Me I bring me
Soldier
come
man,
over,
you shoot
you
you still.
I'm afraid that soldier man is when I say, but no and she waste no time still, you know, my father. I'm going to up to do, you know.
Angle lucky.
Because me like, yeah, your brother never the phone, you know, because I know you don't do nothing from money, they have to play that, I know how to do it.
Yeah, things are going with more than lucky. Go and go deal with the business, man. Go and go deal with it, man.
You're good.
I'm good, man. Go and go deal with it, man.
From tell you that, your face look changed, like,
No, you know, see, I saw my face.
yo, make sure say you're not pre when me
Yo,
pre, you know,
you know, see, I'm
That's what me say.
punking the gal and something. Me nah lean straight, me only lean
Yeah, you-
straight. You
Make
know?
sure you go wash out the plate. Them.
I go deal with it too, that
Because
people, man.
while we are the general up there, so we are listening to your conversation.
You know, see, I saw my
if you help your mother, man, you know, if you come out.
I like a conflict, so me name out I one plate and the one spoon him a go and serve, you know.
You name too much, you chat too much. And that's
Food
wrong,
is
you know.
life.
You're lucky.
And without food, you're
Yo,
dead.
where you link, you know?
Angle it no lucky, man.
Alright, my father.
Angle it no badness.
Yeah,
You know a thing go lucky. You think you can go over there too. Go over there to come and forget something.
Hey, boy. What you doing, man? Oh, you run through my
I say rolling dice, sir. I'm sorry. Remember, say you kill people without a choice. And my friend tell me, say, friend tell him, say, Shawty come and give a pumpkin up the sir. So me I try to take a shot go through your yard, so just
boy,
go.
you know, say enough to walk through my yard.
Me know, boss, I
So
rolling
when you
dice.
walk, you gonna make take a pumpkin a dead boy. Yo, man, you know.
Opportunity only come once, so me have to try to take
Yo,
a...
come out of me. Come out of me. Hey, boy, better lift up, you know. Don't come back here, walk up on a man yard. Shawty come and give you pumpkin. Start down in that place. Me if you beat up the pumpkin to blast.
I don't mind this alone. Never know say my mind easy if you change. Can things me around.
Yo, mama. What go on?
Go on.
You know, say I pass through and say I come get a one link, bro. Where you did?
There about where you could have called me about now.
You know, say I just them there and make a one chat show and I see and I say, yo, I feel cool and let us give a one shout
Who
upstairs.
call?
Me feel cool.
So what that have to do with me, sir?
Stop and go on, someone.
You being cold, what that have to do with me?
All of it cold, you know, say cold time now.
So if you cold and I go on here, you left on half a road, come on my yard, I come tell me say you cold, that nothing to do with me, no?
So mama easy, no man, why you talk so loud? You know, say man a gangster and I'm here if you run off the street.
What do you mean by me if you're in the street? Sir, I do not welcome you in my home. If you come off the street now, I can't tell me say you're cold. You're very disrespectful, you know?
What do you mean by
You see some man, man, you don't know yourself and you don't know no place and you don't know no timing.
You tell man about timing and space. What you talk about? You know, say a fly man want fly up in your space like NASA.
Sir, I really and truly do not want to be disrespectful to you right now. Come outside, stand up yourself and mind my own business. Come off the road, come and trouble me. Me trouble you?
Mama easy, no man.
Remember how me move so I temper. Me tell you so not come over. Where you come over me yard for now?
Wait, stop and go on someone. You know, say a man there for camp. You don't need some company.
My man being up at the camp has nothing to do with you, sir.
Yeah, man, they camp most of the time, you know.
Some man are too presumptuous and bright. Not like on style, man. Especially when you go and like sound nobody and nobody. Cause right now, I know if my man come and say my box down, right as so.
Box down what?
Now you.
My girl, know where you talk when you talk where you talk. Yeah?
Some man come at me and they come bad me. Sir, leave me please.
Yo, you see all the other soldier
Why you come over me and they come bad me up for?
Yo, man, make the soldier boy there have to lift up, you know.
Man, you have to lift up.
Lift up from where, man, run this.
Run what? You come at people yard and people yard, they're presumptuous and bright so.
Yo, come like you don't know, man.
You don't know me either. You coming at me yard and the me step come bad me up.
Me not have to know you.
Oh,
You know, say a man run off this.
Ah.
Yo, man, I make man up a clot the Glock party.
Cloud power. I take me machete and chop your shit.
Yo, you know, say I show you a woman make you go and say, I show you know, say man nah do nothing, you know.
Man, you have my money for my spatula for you, you know.
Yo,
My spatula for reach your jaw corner,
yo,
yeah?
man, you make me have to clot about a Glock party. Come! Yo, you know, say a man on the ground.
Okay, me don't feel comfortable there, me yard right now, you know. But what kind of come, you can't talk, but you can't give me.
Yo, a big Glock party, man, I squeeze, you know that.
Man, I irritate me right now.
I'm telling them, wanna be bad man, them, man. What am I do? I'm try. I'm me feel for this right now.
You, where you do ya?
I show black me approve.
Take time down. What you would do? What you would do, yes, sir?
When me I do ya so, at that we don't know look boy, you know, no love. Running, per man thing in a youth. At that me I tell you, know.
What you mean running?
Man show you like one pre-dog, you just a running per man thing.
Remember
You love
good.
running.
What you mean? Remember good say a shorty
What the
come.
fuck to you now? Go in there so before me, you know. Let me tell you.
Calm down, you say, man, one day, man. That day I try to show you
You
something.
see, same thing when me I tell you, brother. How you cause this, you know?
Oh, cause what? I don't me tell him. Somebody reach before we.
No. But still, I me I go in first and that.
Yo, you ever go on like you want to force me to you bigger than me? No? So you go on, man. You better pray so this man don't get it, cause me I get it.
That the man there.
Yeah.
The man don't know if look girl dog. The man don't know if squeeze chica. Yeah, me I told you.
True, you know.
But you not get through before me.
I say you always going like you want to get you before me, you know. Just because you're bigger than me. But you wanna go watch and see what's going on.
Yeah, but you not going nothing now. You know, say I be argument.
True.
And one thing we don't know is that you know going like on tough. Thing we don't know say I got run the thing tonight.
What which thing? Which thing that?
No worry yourself, man. Don't hear what going on, you know.
Sir, I come to me out with one bag of chatting and me still not get you. I don't want you. You understand? You get that?
Yo,
Me I
no
tell you
worry
straight.
yourself, man. You see when man get the key, the man start knocking, you see man a roll through, I bet you go and run in.
Running power.
You see how like a soldier boy, you watch me, yeah?
Watch you out. Oh, shot tuku something. Right.
Yeah, but this man a dey, you know.
Go on in your yard. How long we have go? How much more to succumb turn up for? So I hate some man, you see, man.
Ain't gone, you know. Just jam off you.
Well, go shoot that shit. I hope you miss.
Right now, I'll spoil my mood.
Hello, good evening.
What do you say you're there too?
Yo,
Good evening.
What's up?
Nothing much.
Good.
Yes, I'm good.
And you know, so I pass me here the argument. What's up? You good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yes.
You look cold, man.
I am cold, as you see, I'm in a sweater.
Okay. So, what you doing?
I'm just standing here, taking some fresh air.
Oh, okay.
I hope you don't mind me coming here.
So, how are the parents later though?
I'm actually coming from my grandma's house.
Oh, come in, I'm listening to this house.
Okay. Well, it's the first for everything, you know?
For true, man.
Yeah. So, what's that all about?
What?
I'm the guy, the bad guy. If you...
Hey, one. No time, come over me and come bad me up.
What? For what?
You must not look somebody.
Really?
So
what did you do?
Do my time to go on yard because I'm my husband already.
Okay. You're right. You're right. And you aware that you have your husband and him still there?
Yes, I sent him.
I'm aware that your husband is a
A
soldier?
community bad man. Claim to say my community bad man.
So them love run up their mouth, man, is what I say?
If you go certain place, you have to cut. But I the community bad man, me know him, man.
True, man.
One kind of wicked and tough.
If you come back up here, just call me, is what I say?
Alright, sir. So you say.
So me say.
Hope you know what that is.
That's good. Why would I want to be one of them?
No, you
Actually, I be myself. Right here. You look stressed though.
Not really. Not really.
What you mean, not really? You sure you're good?
Come on, I'm sure I'm good, man. You good?
Yeah, no, okay.
Okay.
But normally your face never look like that. Normally you is a, you know, jovial person, always a smile and thing, and you know, your face
I
never
just one of
look so.
them did, man.
Just one of them did, like, explain that to me.
Yeah, explain your business to me, sir.
It's
You're
not
lucky,
not a
lucky.
business thing.
You're busy. Me don't want to talk about that right now. You want to talk about yourself?
Myself. There is nothing about myself to talk about. Your situation me I talk about because you don't look alright.
So how you know say me a situation?
No, because your face expression like.
Alright, no make that one the trouble. I'm okay.
But it trouble me.
But I'm okay.
You're not okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
You are not okay.
Yeah. Okay, nobody come with like a way Mr. Badman, community Badman come with me.
Stop comparing me with other guys.
So what you did I pressure myself? Me say me okay, you tell me say me no okay. I feel okay.
So why you have to be so harsh?
I'm not really being harsh or anything, but sometimes I just don't really like it. A long talking.
Look, I'm a gentleman, okay? I am a gentleman.
I know you're a gentleman. Lucky.
Yeah. So why are you behaving like that? I'm just suggesting something to you.
I know, Lucky, I always admire you and everything. You're...
Really?
Yeah, you're very handsome.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay.
Why are you smiling? You have protection?
Protection?
Yeah, let's go to it. You have protection?
Protection. Oh, yeah. Fine.
Okay. So
why you ask me?
Well, because right now I'm just feeling lonely and boring and...
Lonely?
I would like to have a one night stand. You know, up for that, I'm gonna tell you. I'm not looking for a relationship and I'm not looking for ties between us. I'm just asking if you would like a one night stand.
There's nothing wrong with that. Let's get right into it.
True. So, you mind me asking?
What?
What kind of protection is that?
Protection. It's clinical. They say it's the best.
Clinical.
So what are you looking like that?
So people still walking around with clinical?
So what's wrong with it? It's the best. Yeah.
Tonight was a lucky night, but I guess I a bad night tonight. Lucky night, but I go a bad night. Me not lie.
What are you talking about?
I don't use clinical.
So what's wrong with clinical?
I don't use clinical.
Really?
I don't even can pronounce it properly.
Really?
Yeah, really. I thought you had something better.
How about I go and get another type? Which type you use then?
I thought you would have something like more like a
Like
long
what?
love or rough ride or something. I mostly use
Like
rough ride.
seriously
anyways.
now?
Yes.
So
Seriously.
it doesn't really matter. Alright.
Can you cut to the chase? You have it, or you can go and buy it. Which one?
Alright.
If you want tonight to be a lucky night, I guess you can just run along and come back.
Alright.
Boy look like him a get you, so. Come here over the whole long. And it because I take chat to, you know. Me should make him go first, you know. I mean, first, yo, sometime. Watch him. He just always boom me and want go first. Me. Go on.
I go get it and come
Run,
back.
go on.
Yes.
And make tonight be a lucky night.
Dude. Yo, dog. You see that dog? Yo. You know what's get through that dog? Yo, I see how she a take chatty which she a collect like cashier. Hey, what looks so? Yo, what kind of fun do we have, dog?
You know, so you come like Grampy old show who live underneath the bridge. I see him boots me up, brother. What kind of boots man?
Big bad thing, brother.
I get you, brother.
I don't really.
A thief, me shine, you know.
Yeah, man.
But you wanna,
Yeah.
your iron balloon, your hard for boss. Watch you again catch you.
Yeah. Good, man.
Watch you again catch you. I bet you true. Watch you
Oh,
again
yes,
catch you.
right on, I go look in next condom. So you soft out that now works.
So what? Ina, she don't use them type of thing, yeah.
Girl, I wait for me. I make it.
Look what babe did. Look what you did. Let me have to ask you one night time. Just to satisfy my needs.
Okay, if ROM is rum and RAM is rum, that means the square root of pi is pumpkin. Why didn't I think of that?
Yeah.
Don't,
Hey, boy,
don't
don't what?
Don't. I didn't
Relax
do anything.
yourself. Hey boy, piss up yourself. I'm box it down to the ground. Calm down. What is?
Take anything out.
Mo, hey boy. What is?
My aunt gave me 300 US.
200 US. You know,
Oh, no, this.
Hey boy, I'm boxing in your face. You know, see I nerd.
No, I have to take this
What
home.
kind of bag this? I transport this. Give me this, man. Give me this, boy. Give me this, boy. You know, see I nerd. How much money this?
300 US
300 US?
Yes.
Where you get this from?
from my aunt.
Get more, man. Get more. We are the 300 US. 1,000 US if you have for throw. You hear me tell you?
Yeah, but
Much money if you have?
that's my allowance. So what?
You allowance? That's my allowance. Hey boy. Wait, don't look for me, boy. My boxer in your face. You fool now. Hey boy.
I didn't do anything. You just came up on.
You know, hey, me say tappy nice. Take off them Nike slippers there. And hold them cheapers there. Hold them there. Hold them there.
No, I don't
Why
like
not-
this
why
one.
not,
I
man?
don't like this one. I really don't like it.
Put them, hey boy, me kick out piece up front it. Don't ramp with me now, boy. You know how me? What my name?
I don't know you.
You didn't know me?
No.
The favor mug. What?
No, that's from
Hey boy,
aunt.
hey boy, don't ramp, hey boy, don't ramp with me boy. Eh? You know you ramp with me.
You broke my face now.
Bro,
I'm sorry. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to bring it. I'm going to give you everything I have in my pocket.
Damn fool. Give me up this thing up pumpkin.
Just let me go. Okay.
Hey boy, get up and run where? A bad man, damn nerd. That's a boy fool man, watch him. Oh. Boy fool, let's see.
When am I going to tell my mom they took my damn phone and now I have to walk alone?
Kai, what's up? Why are you behaving like that?
Why are you calling me? I don't need anyone to call me right now because I just got robbed.
Let me deal with her.
Yes, they took my money and I don't trust anyone at the moment.
You don't trust me, Kai?
No.
Why?
I really don't.
But you always pass and call to me, Kai, so I'm making no one talk to nobody, especially me.
They just robbed me, so I don't need
Who
to talk
robbed
to
you,
anyone
Kai?
now. I don't know. There was a guy who came down, so I don't know
You
what
got
happened.
hurt? Turn around.
Yes, they
Oh
punched
my
me
God.
and did all this, so it's not me. So it's been the worst.
So what did they took from you, Kai?
Money, iPhone, everything.
Everything, Kai?
Yes, they took everything.
Oh my gosh. How much money they took from you?
300 US.
Oh my God, Kai, I'm so sorry for you.
No, it's okay. I've been through this a lot.
Oh
Actually.
my gosh. Oh my God, Kai,
Wait,
let
why
her
are you
feel.
touching my clothes? Please
I'm
don't do
just
that.
sorry for you. You mind I give you a hug, Kai?
No.
Okay.
No.
What you mean, no? You not trust me, Kai?
No.
Give me a hug, Kai.
No. Why are you doing that? Makes me feel uncomfortable.
You have never hugged a woman before, Kai?
Well, I hugged my aunt, my mom.
So you have never hugged a stranger before?
No, I haven't. Technically.
Okay, well, I'm going to be the first giving you a hug as a stranger. Would you mind?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I just got in the same neighborhood. Like, why do I need to?
But you know me, Kai.
Yeah, but I still can't trust anyone in this neighborhood. So.
Kai, you know me as a good person in our neighborhood. I mean, know say you're a nerd and everything. Everybody know that, Kai. But you know me as a good person. You always pass and sometimes I bring over some little fruits and stuff come give me.
Yeah, I always do so. It's
Just
like,
give me a hug, man. Trust me and just give me a hug, Kai.
only once. Never
All
again.
right, come.
Yes.
Once. Oh my God. How do you feel, Kai?
Feels.
You mind me squeezing you, Kai?
Well, maybe, yeah.
Okay. How do you feel now? You feel better?
Yeah, alright.
Let her fix your clothes for you, Kai.
Wait, thank you.
You're looking very nice and lovely, though.
Yeah, free.
Who dressed you, Kai?
Hold on. Let me get
You
this.
watch ya.
Let me get.
Kai, no. Why you in a yes and a rush? Why? What is this, Kai?
It's a condom I got from my mom.
From your mom?
Yeah.
I know you buy.
No, technically she told me to keep it on me, so I don't know why.
Okay, well, she told you to keep it on you for a good reason.
What's that supposed to mean?
Because you're working with my favorite Kai.
What does a condom has to do with?
May I show you how to use it? You want me to show you how to use it?
Is it going to be like a learning?
Yeah, something like that. I'm your teacher tonight.
Okay, yeah, wonderful. It's been a while since I did any theory studying and all this.
So Kai.
Yes.
You know anything about one night stand? Like if me carry in the house to teach you something, me know why if you come back tomorrow, hear?
That sounds a bit weird.
It's not weird. It's normal.
No, I don't think so.
No, like me, I carry go teach. I thought me I teach you. Me I teach you how to pull it, how to put it on, and everything. And me I show you where you use it and do. Yes, sir.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Me I look by you creepy?
Yes.
No.
I'm actually nervous.
You're nervous?
Yes, I am.
Alright, don't be nervous, Kai. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Actually, you know, you're kind of cute, Kai.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
That make you feel nice, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to carry you inside. You mind coming with me?
Oh, sure.
Okay, I'm going to carry you inside and I'm going to give you a well-teaching lesson.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
You ready to learn?
Yeah, let's go.
You're sure you're ready to
Yes,
learn,
I
Kai?
am. I am. Let's go. Let's go.
Kai, listen.
Mhm.
I know you're excited and everything to learn.
Yeah.
But hear what?
Mhm.
I don't want you to tell a soul, nobody at all about this.
Okay,
Hear?
no problem. I'm good at keeping secrets.
Tonight is a secret you can get your crib here.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it. I can keep every secret and any secret, so let's go.
Let's go, Kai.
Yeah.
Shorty, what going?
That was really exciting. I enjoyed it.
Really indeed. Oh, you like your lesson?
It was spectacular, you know.
When you go home, you tell Mama what you did with it, okay?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to write down the formula for this one. Yeah.
Yes, because she never tell her if you use it and do. So when I go home, tell her, I say, Mommy, that balloon that you gave to me, I used it, Anna.
Yeah, I'm going to tell her.
It was very exciting. You have any more, Mommy? Kai?
Yes.
You see what I did a while ago?
Mm-hmm.
What did I told you?
Not to tell anyone and to keep it as a secret.
So where you going to tell her Mama say?
That was out studying
Nothing happened.
at the library.
Yes, in the library. And if you ask her where is the balloon, tell her say it lost.
Yes, I'm going to do that.
Don't tell a soul, you hear I say?
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Okay, don't be nervous. But you see, when you're 60, I want you to come back from work, okay?
Okay, I will.
How much me say?
60.
Okay, when you're 60. Nice boy.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm going to go home now
Okay.
before my mom calls.
Okay.
So
Okay.
goodbye.
Goodbye, Kai.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, Kai. My gosh. Oh, they say look boy they are nerd. Nothing nerdy don't do. Gosh.
Shorty, come.
Stop.
What is man?
Baby, so come. Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Well, actually, I'm just checking on you.
Oh, well, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine? Huh? Babe,
Yes.
I asked a question if you're okay.
I'm quite.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing. I'm quite okay, babe.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Why you sounding this way?
How am I sounding? Fuck.
Different.
I'm not sounding different. I'm just feeling so good and excited. About the car that you said you was going to buy me. What type car you said you was going to buy me again, babe?
Oh. So now you're interested in the car, right?
Yes.
I told you it was a surprise, but since you insist, I'm about to buy you a Beamer.
A Beamer.
Yeah,
Oh my
the
god.
latest.
Oh my god. I'm so excited, babe.
Yeah.
I don't receive it as yet, but thank you so much, hon. Thank you so much, babe. I'm so excited and I love you
Yeah,
so
that's
much.
good.
I love you so much. Okay, hon?
I love you more, baby.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your night.
You too, hon.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. I think I've been excited, though.